How to add the license in your custom theme. So now we are properly integration. Just you this domain you logging and sign up, then you free credit 3 credit. So then you generate the license as like that. You multiple license now balance 4, so you multiple license you create it and your customer email, and also the theme category must be theme or plugin, choose it, then the theme pro theme but anything else. So then create the license monthly yearly. So now we are create this license. Now we are implement our theme advanced. So we are code documentation developer API documentation. We just copy and license php copy. So just we are going to our theme panel on my website. So this one my theme. Just activated the theme. This one have on any plugin? No. So just we go to my plugin simply like. So this one theme, this one. So now this one our theme. So inc folder we create a new file, name this one license.client.php. Then we copy and the just we theme file, we just theme file inc folder, create inc folder. Have you not inc folder, then you create inc, then just you create a file, then this one create, and also another file create for update, for theme update, theme file update. So on must be this two file is integration linking the file. So this one file I just copy the name and new file create and copy the and this one, then okay, fine, save it now. So we're completely this one integration and this one, but we are not file integration in our function file, function.php file, WordPress theme function.php file. So we're just integration, copy 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 then. So we just integration our file php, wait, this one update, instant update in your theme, in your customer also. So this one or license, okay, save it. So now we are reloaded, this one our license. So the license key is already done. So already the theme has already activated the license, I think so. 2D, so we are removing the license, then you can pay theme 2D and 2D, this one license already. So we are remove it license, so remove that, this one, okay, fine. So double click, so this one error, no problem. So this one the file already the license is already removed, instant license removed. So new one we are create the license, then we are add the license, activate the license, this one reload this, activate the license view. So activate the license, and also update the theme file. So example like that, update the theme file. So we just update theme file, uh, we just keep it, so 2 point this one version 2.010, this one This file I just keep it my domain. So you just also your domain this file keep it and push it. So the theme version I check it now. If one also check it, the theme version, as a WordPress theme developer, you know that your custom theme version, what is version or not. So we just implement version 1 example like that. For example, we are check it now. This already we are updated later, no problem, but we are check it version 1. Okay, so we are reload that. Okay, fine. Okay, so again we are until now you are updated this one again show. So okay, fine. So now we are activate. So this one, and now activate the file. So the theme automatically activated. So this one version 3, can you see? So this one. So already we are implementation the license, also license key and monitoring the license. So you must be select your theme category and create a license. So thank you so much watching the video.